Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get promo codes on TikTok Shop. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok application on your phone, then go and click on the shop icon on the bottom right here, and now go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side, then choose free shipping option. After that here, it will redirect you to the coupon hub. Here you will find two types of coupons. The first type is in the top, and this type of coupons are valid for a specific period and are universal, so you can use them on any product that you need. When you scroll more down, here you will find more coupons, but for specific products. So if you click on claim, you will find another button saying use. You just have to click on use. It will redirect you to the product that you want to purchase. And now you can simply apply the coupon. Just click on buy with coupon. Then here, click on TikTok Shop discount. After that, you can apply and choose between any one of the coupons that you have. But in some cases, you cannot actually stack more than one coupon, so you can only use one. So keep that in mind. And if you have a promo code, you can even type it right here, then click on apply. And once you finish, click on confirm. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.